Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of the 21-day Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet challenge. If you're new here and you want to know what this is about, I'll leave a link to the video that I uploaded explaining the whole challenge, but we are today on day 2. We're going to be cleaning our cleared off kitchen counters. Now, kitchen counters are notorious for attracting clutter, so make sure you clear off all the clutter and give them a really nice wipe down. This is of course building on from our first habit that we started last night, which was to shine the sink. So again, we've done all the dishes, given the sink a quick wipe down. Yesterday I did a detailed clean with cream cleanser. Tonight I've just done a quick spray and wipe for a maintenance clean. And then added to that the counters as well.
It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down.
As you can see, once you've got your dishes and your sink clean, it really doesn't take long to give your counters a really nice wipe down. And as I said in yesterday's video, if you are struggling with your evening cleaning routine, consider moving your whole dinner and cleaning routine time back by 1 hour. So start your dinner an hour earlier. That way, by the time you finish dinner, you're not completely exhausted. You're just that little bit more wide awake. Trust me, if the only thing that you take away from this challenge is moving your dinner time and evening cleaning routine back half an hour to an hour, you will not believe the difference it makes. It just means that you're just that little bit more wide awake and you're not completely exhausted by the time you've finished, cooking and eating dinner. You're not too tired to just spend that little bit of time doing your dishes, cleaning your counter, cleaning your sink, and getting your evening cleaning routine done so that you can then go and relax and enjoy your evening in peace, knowing that you've got everything taken care of. And then you get that really great feeling in the morning when you come down and you enter into a beautiful clean kitchen. There is honestly nothing in the world that sets you up for a great day than coming into a clean kitchen, I promise you.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you.
So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you're enjoying this challenge and that it is keeping you motivated to get your own cleaning routine together, whatever that might be. You can take bits and pieces of this routine and tweak it to suit your own household, your own requirements, and your own time that you've got available to clean. I took my inspiration from many different sources, as I've mentioned before many times. I first started my cleaning routine back when my eldest son, who's almost 15, was a newborn. There wasn't really that much inspiration back in those days. There was no Facebook, there was no Instagram, there was no YouTube. There were just like blogs and forums on motherhood and all that kind of stuff. And from there, I got introduced to the Fly Lady Zone cleaning system. And as you know from yesterday's video, that is where the Shine Your Sink inspiration comes from. So that's tribute to her because that's how I first started my whole cleaning journey. I'm not even sure if she's still around. Some of her kind of methods are a little bit outdated, but one thing that she always said that stuck with me, and that's to end every day with a clean and clear sink. So that's always stuck with me, and that's why I implemented that as day 1 challenge, because that's where I got started. And whenever people ask, how did you get started getting your house clean and under control? First thing I say is look up the Fly Lady Zone cleaning. It's pretty simple. Just tweak it to suit your situation, and then you'll have your own cleaning routine in no time at all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of the 21-day Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet cleaning challenge. Bye everyone.